After months of preparation, my great adventure has begun. I officially started the Great Loop yesterday on May 28th. It was an exciting beginning, I'll tell you. First off, we're loading up the boat in East Bridgewater, and all things kind of went haywire. It took us longer to get the boat ready to go than what we really anticipated. We really wanted to take off about no later than 2 o'clock. Well, shoot, we didn't even leave until 2 o'clock. And so I met my brother down here at Galilee Boat Ramp on Point Judith. And my brother's a lay minister. And so he blessed the boat. He gave a mariner's blessing. And we also did a little communion. And so we finally got the boat launched about 5 p.m. During this time, the wind was blowing like crazy. And between getting started late, 5 p.m., that's pretty late to start a boat trip, and the wind, I decided I was not going to leave this bay. And so I found a great little place, a great little marina called Point Judith Marina. The folks here are really, really friendly. They were able to find me a slip close into shore so that I wasn't getting beat up by the wind, because the wind's been blowing here up to 25, 30 miles per hour. Not good boating weather, I'll tell you. And so many of the boats are staying in. So yes, this morning I got up and started my exercises and started my stove, or at least I thought I started my stove, because it didn't start. And after I got done with my exercises, I began looking into that some more, trying to start it, and it wouldn't start. Pulled out the handy-dandy directions. It told me how to get it reset and restarted. And pretty soon I figured there's got to be something wrong. I kind of fiddle-faddle with a few things, squeezed the thing, and none of that stuff worked. So I pulled out the handbook, went through their troubleshooting. And through that troubleshooting process, I discovered that I'm missing a washer. The washer actually had deteriorated. And so I need a new washer because it's a closed system that the air can't be getting into the system. And without a washer, air is going to get in. Life's not good. And fortunately, at the Point Judith Marina, it's also a repair facility. So they have lots of supplies. They have lots of knowledge here. Although with it being Memorial Day weekend, the knowledge is on vacation, as they should be. So they'll be back tomorrow, Tuesday, where hopefully we'll be able to rectify my situation with my stove and be able to cook stuff. That would be really great. Currently, the wind is going to continue throughout tomorrow. The wind should begin tapering off about 10, 11 o'clock at night. Wednesday morning by 8 o'clock, it's going to be well below 10 miles per hour, because I decided that if the wind's over 10 miles an hour, I'm not going to go. And so it's been a great time here at the marina. I've had a good opportunity to get some things done on the boat that needed to be done, but really didn't need to be done, like level B type stuff. One of the things I did today was I had bought some of that matting that you put on the floors and gyms and stuff like that, and I put that on the floor, and then I put my carpet on top of it, cleaned up the inside, washed everything down. So the days are not wasted. And this is my first day going through, and actually it's kind of interesting that when you begin, you start with 2 no-go days in a row. Thanks for tuning in. This is Keith. If you enjoy what you see, please like it, subscribe, and when you subscribe, there's a little bell that if you click on that little bell, every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified. Thanks for tuning in again. May all your seas be calm.